Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? Today I'm feeling really energized, and because it's so sunny and nice outside, I was thinking maybe some yoga moves, some meditation, some stretches, some exercise. What do you think? And I will bring Bon Bon too. I have a blanket. Okie doke.
Okie dokie.
Oh, where's Bon Bon? Bon Bon, Bon Bon. Oh, hi, Bon Bon. Hi. You want to do some yoga? Okay, so you will have to copy me. All right, let's take a seat. And you have to copy me, so you need to be facing me. Okay, and now let's take a deep breath. No, not like that. Let's do it again. And now, just on your knees. And now, let's try to create the friendship hug. Just like that, and now just stay like that. Hey, come on, Bon Bon, stay like that.
Whoopsie. Oh no!
Do you know what we're going to do now? Like a little contest where we're going to pick some dandelions, and we'll do that while having fun. And that will mean we'll exercise too, because it's sunny and nice outside. So we can do that, and we can smell the flowers as well. I will count you in, and when I will say go, we should go. Alrighty, let's start. 1. Oh, come on, Bon Bon. I just said when I say go, not now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, we have 10 seconds to go. Hurry up.
Yippee!
Okay, Bon Bon. Time is up. What are you doing? What's that? Is this a dandelion? Bon Bon says this is a dandelion. Okay, let's say this is... All right. I think I'm going to count this in as a dandelion because I really love my friend. And Bon Bon doesn't really know what to do now.
Oh no!
Let's count Bon Bon's dandelions. 1, 2, 3, 4, oopsie, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you have 10. And another dandelion. Okay, and another one. 11. Wow, good job. Let's see mine now. I have 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I had so many.
Uh-oh.
What did you do, Bon Bon?
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, you cheeky panda. Oh, my goodness. We had so much fun. Let's say we both won because sharing is caring, and I'm going to share my prize with you. And the prize will be, guess what? Some healthy snacks. Oh, look at that, healthy snacks. We have fruits and vegetables and dairies. Can you please show me the apples? Which ones are the apples? Oh no.
Oh, no.
But they're kind of similar, so yes, but you're not right. These are cucumbers. Look at that, cucumbers, and they are vegetables. Bon Bon, let me show you. Apples. These ones, green apples. Look at that. These are fruits. Can you please show me the grapes? Yes, correct. Good job, Bon Bon. Grapes, and they are fruits. And now I'm thinking we have these skewers and we can make some healthy kebabs. Let's try. I'll give you one and I will help you, okay? All right, let's start. We will have some colorful and healthy kebabs. Good. Very good. We have one banana, one grape, one apple. And how many do you have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Wow! How many do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Good job! Oh, we're having so much fun. Okay, now let's... Can you make a green skewer? Let's try. That's not green. That's not green. Not green. These are green. The apples and the cucumbers are green. Very good, Bon Bon. Very good. Very good. I'm so proud of you. You should try to do this at home too. In the garden. Oh, that's amazing. Good job. Good job. I have another idea. Do you want to play something? Let's play something now. And what do we have in here? Let me tell you, Bon Bon. This is a game which I will be calling the Sticky Penny. We have some sticky plate and we have a tennis ball. Look at that. Oh, got stuck. Okay, so let's play. Very good, very good, very good. Wow. job, Bon Bon. High five with the sticky plate. Woohoo! And now just a bit of garden dance. Robot dance. Monkey dance. Good job! We had an amazing day today. Until next time.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.